Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable screen recorder on OPPO A38. So you have to swipe down on your screen and now do this motion again and click here on screen recording, and if you want to start record you have to click the red button right here, and now your screen is recording. And to stop, just click here on the pause button, and to finish your recording, click here on this check mark. And now your recording has been saved. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.